guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. Wow, could I look worse right now? Let's put you up here. So I'm currently getting myself ready because I'm about to go and get my hair done, which I am so excited about. I haven't had my hair done by a professional in, I don't know, maybe like 9 months. During lockdown, I did a very dodgy bleach job on myself. I tried to balayage my own hair, went completely wrong. There's a video all about that on my main channel, but today we are getting that corrected. I've got so many like random splotches of bleach throughout my hair that just, they need to go. It wasn't a good idea. Don't do that. Oh, and it's currently chucking it down with rain. I need to leave in about 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna do a very quick face of makeup. Obviously I'm gonna just brush my hair and leave it. It is really gross and greasy kind of looking. I think I'm going to run a bit of Moroccan oil through the ends again. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm going to get done today. I would love to get some more blonde put in. I'm going to speak to my hairdresser, who is really lovely, and obviously get her personal opinion, professional opinion on what I should do with it, because I might add in like a bit more dark through the root. We might have to do that to try and blend it in. I don't know, we'll see. But I will take you with me. I might not get my vlog camera out in the actual hairdresser because that makes me feel a bit awkward, but I'll show you in the car and stuff. But this is the before. You can see all the stripes from where I did it myself and it looked bad. Oh my god though, I've just got to say, we've got to talk about this highlighter palette. I just randomly started using this again the other day, and it's the Pixie and Rach Loves palette. These highlighters are so nice. They're just stunning, so I thought I would give a quick little mention to that. Right, makeup is done. I'm gonna get dressed and I'll see you in my car. I just wanted to catch this moment on camera. I'm actually 10 minutes early. Can we just have a round of applause? Thanks. I'll see you when I'm out and hopefully have some better hair than this. I was gonna vlog, but a car's just pulled up next to me, so I'll see you when I'm home. Okay, so I'm back. This is my new hair. It took a while. Obviously, I know that it's not like, you know, I wasn't going for something drastically different. I still wanted it to be blonde and balayaged, and she basically just evened out where I had completely messed it up, and it looks so much better. I also had a trim as well, which was well needed, and like toner. We did Olaplex and everything, so it is just feeling and looking so much better. Like the actual blend of my colour is so much better, and we took it quite high up to my root just to kind of blend in what I'd done on myself, but it just looks so beautiful. I'm so happy with it. Also, the makeup on my nose is completely worn off from where, like, obviously I was wearing a mask the whole time, and it probably took about like 4 hours, I think, because me and my hairdresser, we were just chatting for ages, and I'm sure like I was probably distracting her quite a lot, and it was just me in there, which was really good. But yeah, I'm super happy with it. We actually figured out that the last time I went to get my hair done by a professional was October of last year, and then I was going to get it done in March, and I was going to book in an appointment, but then obviously we went into lockdown, and then since then I've just done it like twice myself, but not like this. I haven't. Oh, it just looks so pretty. Also, I just wanted to show you guys how gorgeous is this new piece of art that we've got. It's currently in the dining room. We're probably going to move it into the living room at some point, but for now it's just staying in here because that's where we've got a hook on the wall. I think it is absolutely beautiful. We got this from a girl on Instagram who is called Annie. Her Instagram is AG Originals. She very kindly sent us this painting, which was so nice of her, but she does the most incredible artwork. The way that I'm standing makes it look like we've put it on the wall wonky. I swear we haven't. It's just because the table is in the way of me standing in the middle, but it's so beautiful. This particular piece is called Icefall, I think, and it's just all of these swirly like grey, white, turquoise colours, and I just think it is the most beautiful thing. Me and James are absolutely obsessed with it. It goes all the way around the sides of the canvas as well, and the detail in this is just, it's just so cool. Like, it's so stunning, and it has this really nice sort of like glossy finish on top. If anyone is looking for a new piece of artwork for their home or for a gift for somebody, I know that Annie has got a new collection coming out soon. She has other stuff as well. She doesn't just do art that's like this. She's got different styles, but I just think it is absolutely beautiful. And Annie, thank you so much for sending this over. literally like so amazing. The first piece of art that we have in our house. So it is actually a few days later now. Oh, my jumper is matching the painting in the background. Oh, and these curls that I've got on my hair at the moment, I actually did some sock curls overnight where I literally just like tied a long sock into my hair and then just like wrapped my hair around it and then tied it at the bottom. It's actually worked pretty well. I just sneezed and I feel like it's made my eyelashes start peeling off. The reason my eye makeup looks so insane right now is because I just filmed with the Nikki Tutorials and Beauty Bay palette. But oh my god, I was so excited when it arrived, so I filmed with it today. And well, I mean, I guess you have to watch the video on my main channel. But it's actually a few days later again. The reason that this vlog is all in bits and pieces is because when I filmed the first few clips, I realised that there wasn't enough content in there for it to be a full vlog. So I'm just kind of like chipping in when I have anything interesting. So this is going to be like a, rather than a weekly vlog, like a couple of weeks vlog into one. Like this is the only interesting things that are happening in my life. I also just wanted to mention as well, like a couple of things. Oh, I kind of want to put you down. One sec. Another thing that is exciting, which I spoke about on my Instagram stories, I actually this year have been chosen as a judge for the beauty awards with ASOS. I actually was lucky enough to go to the awards last year and it was so much fun. By the way, this is not like sponsored, nothing like that. Like I'm not obliged to mention anything in my, you know, in my channel or on Instagram or anything like that. But it was just, I just wanted to share because it's really exciting. And I attended the awards last year. I actually almost didn't go because I was feeling really like anxious about it, and I decided to force myself to go in the end. I remember at the time I very nearly dropped out because I didn't really know many other people that were going, and I just was like, I wasn't feeling it. But I'm so glad that I went because this year they've invited me back to be a judge and judge some of the categories. So downstairs they sent me this like big box of stuff and I've got score sheets and everything. Unfortunately I can't tell you, it says on my like information thing that the categories and the products that I'm judging are confidential. Obviously that like makes sense. Yeah, I've got some products to test out over the next 3 weeks I think it is, or like 4 weeks actually I think it is, and I've got score sheets for everything and it's just really cool and I'm really excited to be a part of that. And then when the awards eventually do happen, they're supposed to be happening later on in the year, but I feel like with COVID and stuff it's just not gonna happen, so maybe next year, but we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, that was really exciting. I don't really know what else to say, I guess. Like, I know that my vlogs on this channel are really probably not the best because, to be honest, I don't know, like in my day-to-day life I don't really have that much that I would vlog. Like, for example, an overview of my week. Like, what have I done this week? Monday, I filmed, edited and uploaded a video for my main channel, and I had a meeting with my manager, like a big like hour-long catch-up with him, and was also planning some sponsored content which I was going to film the next day. Tuesday, I filmed a sponsored content video, and then it was James's dad's birthday, so we went to his parents in the evening and had a lovely meal with them, obviously staying socially distant. And then I came home and edited that video until about 2 in the morning. Wednesday I sent over my sponsored content in the morning, and then I actually went out for lunch with my best friend Ellie, which was nice. We went out for Eat Out to Help Out, which I hadn't really done. The only time that I'd done the Eat Out to Help Out thing was, oh actually yeah, that was the Monday. So the Monday of this week, me and James went to Eat Out to Help Out and went to Wagamama, but ended up queuing for like an hour to get in because it was so busy. And then Wednesday afternoon I then also again filmed, edited and uploaded. Thursday I went to the post office to post some giveaways, came home, and then that afternoon was planning some more sponsored content, speaking with my manager and everything and trying to get everything worked out. And then yesterday was Friday. I had a couple of Zoom meetings, a couple of meetings about some upcoming projects which are exciting, and then also work my way through a big to-do list of things that I needed to sort out in my just general life. Uploaded one of my sponsored videos yesterday evening, then went to Asda, I cooked dinner, and then today is Saturday and I've just again filmed and I'm about to go edit and schedule the video. So that is what I've done this week. Mostly just consists of me filming and editing, and if I'm seeing anyone, it's like friends and family that don't want to be on camera. So I don't know, I guess I don't really have much to vlog. So that is why, like, that kind of explains why I'm not regularly posting on this channel, because like this is just sort of my second channel, which definitely gets neglected, but it's just there for when I want to post anything that's like not sort of main channel content but is also longer than an Instagram story, you know. Oh, and also the middle mirror has fallen down the back of the bed. I actually need to get that and stick it back up, which is slightly annoying. But yeah. Do I have chocolate on my face? Oh no, that's just a spot. Brilliant. I look like a hot mess, but I just wanted to chip in here because I'm actually editing this vlog right now and I'm posting it this evening. As I'm filming this clip, it is Wednesday evening at 9:15. But I just wanted to show you a couple more things because since filming this last clip, this is the final update. I swear, I'm sorry, this vlog has been like the most misjointed PC vlog ever. I'm sorry, it's not been great. But we actually ended up going to IKEA the other day and getting one of their Kallax units, and I bought myself a really cool new mirror which I think you guys will be interested in, that I just ordered off of Amazon. So I'm going to show you those two things because they're kind of like house updates since this last clip. We got like impatient and went to IKEA because I was going to do a big order off of there, but then it said that it couldn't be delivered until the 19th of October, so we just like decided that we'd take a day trip to IKEA. So let me just take you downstairs. Oh, actually I'll show you the mirror first because it's like right here. Right, I know it looks like a basic mirror right now, and I mean it is kind of like a basic mirror. Sorry, I've got some of my jewelry down here I'm just sorting out, vacuum cleaner I need to put away. But this actually opens. Oh god, I can't do it with one hand. Look how cool this is. This is the inside of it. So it was, I think this was £70 on Amazon, but it is so worth it because we don't have masses of bathroom storage. So a lot of my skincare stuff, like it just kind of ends up being left around the bathroom. But this fits loads of skincare bits in it. It's got quite a few different shelves. I'm yet to kind of like fill this bit. It also does fit my kind of night creams and stuff as long as I put them on this bottom shelf because there's a little bit of extra room kind of here, so it does close. I tried putting them on this one, but these hooks kind of get in the way of it. But yeah, I'm so happy that they all fit down there. So I've just put a couple of skincare bits in here for now. It's got the like containers for stuff. It's got ring holders in this section up the top. I definitely don't need all of these ring holders. Kind of wish that there was like another shelf because I don't have that many rings. And then same with the earrings. I've only got one pair of dangly earrings in here at the moment because I haven't put the rest of my jewelry in, and I don't really have that many dangly sort of earrings, but you can put earrings in this bit. This bit you can put watches and bracelets. Again, don't really have many. And then I've got some of my favorite necklaces just hanging on here, which is really cool. You could probably also put like, I don't know, kind of hairbands or scarves or headscarves or anything like that on this kind of section, or even like hook bits onto here. But I just think it's the coolest thing. So I will leave a link to that down below if anybody's interested. I am a member of Amazon's like affiliate program. So it is an affiliate link down below, which basically means that if you purchase through my link, I get a small commission. If you're not comfortable with that, just type in storage mirror on Amazon and it comes up. So that is that, but let me just take you downstairs. So I ended up going to IKEA, picked up one of their Kallax units. I think it's Kallax, I don't know, it's not like Kallax as in like Sidemen. It's spelled like Kallax if anyone, you know, wants to go to IKEA and get the same thing. It's one of IKEA's most popular sort of units because they're basically like a bunch of different cubes. You can get them in different sizes. We got the 2x4 one because I was looking at different shoe storage options, and you can get like a wire shoe rack or some basic kind of shoe drawers, but none of them were really big enough for the amount of shoes that me and James have because we both have quite a few pairs of shoes. So we wanted to get something bigger, and we were looking on a bunch of different websites and stuff. Couldn't really find anything that was affordable because I didn't want to spend like, you know, I'm not going to spend like £400 on a shoe rack. So I looked to IKEA and looked up a few different options, and this was a really good find. Jesus Christ, I nearly just walked into a glass door. So this is the unit that we ended up going for. I still got my mallet up here from when I was building it yesterday when James was out. They didn't actually have the kind of baskets that we wanted to get in stock in IKEA. So we actually went to B&Q afterwards because I looked up online just for like cube sort of storage container things. And B&Q sold these. They also had wicker ones, which we were going to get, but then we saw these ones and thought that they looked a bit nicer. Still want to get something for these top shelves. We might end up getting the cupboard doors that they sell on IKEA that you can have like the inserts, or maybe some drawers for extra storage. But yeah, I'm really happy with these. So I've just got my shoes in here, and then James's shoes in here. I think it works really nicely as a kind of shoe storage unit, especially if you've got a lot of shoes. So the unit itself was £45, and then each of these, I think these were £10 each. So in total it came to £85, whereas a lot of the things that I'd seen that kind of look like this were 250 plus. So yeah, I was pretty happy with that purchase. I think we did pretty well, and it works well for our shoes. What more can you want, huh? Right, I am back upstairs and I'm gonna finish editing this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry that my vlogs are a bit shit. Like, I'm not a natural born vlogger. I don't have that much going on, so I'll probably see you in the next, like, I don't know, 2 weeks to a month when something exciting happens. What do I even have coming up? Do I have anything exciting happening? I guess my next project for the house is I want to replace our wardrobes, because they're so kind of like, they're not the best in terms of like space utilization, because there's a section of wall in the middle which it's not like a supporting wall or anything, but it's quite hard to kind of reach behind it and get the clothes that are behind that section of wall. So what I would really love to do is maybe get like a handyman to come and knock down and take out our current wardrobes, because they are like built into the wall. It's a little bit difficult. Actually, let me just show you. Like, do you see what I mean? There's the doors that kind of swing out this way, but then there's this section of wall in the middle here, which, like, if you just go inside the wardrobe, you can actually like put stuff behind here, but it's just a bit awkward to get to. Do you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't go all the way to the back. If anyone is good at kind of DIY, what I would love to do eventually is get some wardrobes that have sliding doors rather than doors that open out, because it just would work a lot better with the bed. I was looking at the IKEA, what are they called? Packs wardrobe units yesterday, but obviously we couldn't fit them in here at the moment because we've got this section of wall in the middle. So if anybody has any bright ideas, if anybody's crafty with DIY, or I don't know, maybe you're like a plasterer builder and have knowledge on this kind of stuff, let me know if you have any smart ideas. I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Yeah, like I said, I'll probably see you when I next have something interesting to update on. But other than that, I hope you are all doing good. I hope you're all healthy. I hope you're all safe and well and doing okay. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!